Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to delete Safari search history on Mac. So first of all, let's navigate and open the Safari browser on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move to the top menu bar and click on History. In this drop-down menu, you will find all your history, including today's, yesterday's, and previous history. You can delete specific search history, or if you want to delete all of it, look for the option called Clear History at the very bottom and click on it. A new pop-up window will appear on your screen saying, Clearing history will remove related cookies and other website data. Here, choose the time range you want to clear, such as the last hour, today, and yesterday, or all history. After selecting your preferred option, click on the Clear History button to confirm. This will remove your browsing history, search history, and website data from Safari. If you want more privacy and a cleaner browsing experience, clearing your history regularly can be helpful. And that's it. This is how you can delete Safari search history on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.